Sorry about the wind in the video, guys. It's a bit bad, but oh well. I hope you enjoy the video anyway.
Hi, my name's Aaron. It's my budget. Got Odyssey but racing grips, Primo rebar bars, 9-inch
Lying,
high.
mate. They're cold.
No, I've got a Colt sticker on. Yeah, they're 9 high, 28.5 wide. And I got Colt Salvation V2 top load stem.
Dang.
Got Colt Maintain everyday top cap. And
Maintain, mate.
Colt IC set.
Look at them.
Primo N4FL laced to a Primo VS or Versus ring, whatever it's called. Got Primo plastic pegs. Got 4
They
of
got
them.
Primo.
Main bit, a BSD WZA V4 20.85 I think. It's got 9-inch standover, 12.8. I don't know how steep that is. I don't know any other geometries of it. Then I've got Colt DAC pedals. They're pretty good.
You mean Colt Dank pedals?
Yeah, mate. Odyssey Thunderbolt left-hand drive, 175mm. I've got a Primo mid bottom bracket. I've had that for quite a while now. I'm surprised it hasn't blown up. Colt Member V1 sprocket that's holding up pretty well.
Mental, mate.
Shadow Conspiracy Interlock V2 chain, I think. Yeah, and then up here I've got Primo Mac factory wheel seat, Colt counter seat post. Then got a Primo Freemix left-hand drive, laced to a Primo VS or Versus rim with the drive side guard and the non-drive side guard. And then 2 BSD Donaldson tyres and 2.4.
Right.
That's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Do you want to do some stunts?
Go on in.
Yeah, boy. Yee-hoo! Sea kid.